Hey guys, if you are having trouble with the Instagram app not opening or if your screen is just entirely white, then this video is for you because today I am going to show you how to fix the problem in just a few simple steps. So don't worry, your Instagram account is safe and sound. Just make sure to watch this video all the way to very end and follow the instructions and you will be good to go. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. First of all, you have to open up the phone settings. Here you have to go to display and brightness, and here if you have enabled the dark theme, you simply have to disable it and hopefully it will fix your issue. But if it doesn't fix your issue, go back to the settings and you have to scroll down and you have to tap on app management. Here you have to go to app settings, then in the search bar you have to search for Instagram. After that you have to go to storage and cache. Here you have to clear all the data or clear storage of your Instagram, and after clearing the storage of Instagram you have to go back and you have to go to permissions. In the permissions you have to allow all of the permissions to the Instagram and hopefully that your issue will be resolved. But if the issue doesn't resolve, you have to go back and open the Play Store. Here you have to search for Instagram and you have to update the Instagram app, and after that you have to log in back to your Instagram account and your Instagram will start working again. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this tutorial. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.